Alright guys, hello. Trying to set up a public profile on Snapchat, but the option just isn't there. Yes, it's frustrating, but there are several simple reasons why, and even better, quick fixes. So guys, firstly confirm eligibility. Before anything else, let us make sure your account is eligible. So Snapchat only allows public profiles if you're 18 or older, your account is at least 24 hours old, your email and phone number are verified. So open Snapchat, tap your Bitmoji, go to settings, verify email and number if needed. Then if you meet the requirements, the option should appear under your profile where it says add to Spotlight or create public profile. If it's not showing, you can try this. Post a snap to my story, not just to friends, so basically make it public, and add a profile photo and short bio. Snapchat uses these actions to qualify you for the public profile feature. And also guys, public profiles still aren't supported in every region. To work around this, try changing your app store or device region to the US, UK or Canada, then reinstall Snapchat, log in and check again. Another fix that works for many, open Snapchat settings, scroll down and tap clear cache, then restart the app. Or try logging out and back in. This forces Snapchat to refresh your account state and recheck eligibility. So most users get the option after completing these steps, especially once you verify everything and share at least one story. If it still doesn't appear, give it a little time. Snapchat might just be rolling it out in your area. So if this video helped, don't forget to drop a like and of course subscribe for more social media how-tos, and thank you for watching.